Hey, this is Tom from Duct here. We have a dryer that is not drying clothes at a normal drying time. We have a fully exposed pipe here, as you can see, and it shoots right out the side of this garage. What we're going to do is we drill the 1-inch access hole right here. We're going to forward flow everything out that way to clear this pipe, and then we're going to run our tool down into the laundry room. We're going to pull everything back up, switch the tool, blow it right out. Do that 2 more times. The entire run will be 100% clean. Attach the dryer, and she'll be up and drying clothes in normal drying times. All this in under 1 hour.